Hey guys, Steve here. Today I want to get on and show you how you can start making $100 online today. And it all starts with a free account, right? So there's no reason for you to block your ears. I don't want to listen. No, it's free, right? Just create your free account and you'll see the value. And believe me, once you see the value, you'll be like, oh, okay, I see. So if you're like me, you're always looking for a way to make money online. And honestly, this is one of the easiest ways that I've encountered so far to make money online. But not just like $6 here, $7 here. This is $100 over and over again. And I want to show you proof of that. So the system that I'm talking about is a system called List Infinity. Okay, now it's a viral email building $100 generating system, right? You can generate $100 over and over, and you can build your list while you're doing it. Now, here's the concept. It's super simple. What would you trade me for your email? If I said, hey, Joe, let me get your email, you'd be like, no. But what if I said, hey, Joe, let me get your email, but wait, what if I gave you this, and it had value, it had training, it had all the things you needed to do what your business was, right? Dealing with your business. Now, mind you, we're all affiliates, and what's the main goal? The main goal is building lists. Now, if I said, hey, Joe, can I get your email for this free list builder? You'd be like, yeah. But what if I said, for this free list builder that can make you $100? You'd be like, yeah, right? Because that's how simple it is. You're offering a resource or a tool to someone who's already in the right mindset of list building, and they can see the opportunity that just by a little bit of positioning, you can cash in on generating $100 a bill, $100 over and over and over again. And I want to show you just with that simple concept, right? You're going to share your opportunity with list builders. Everyone needs to build a list if they have a business, if they're in affiliate marketing, if they're in online marketing. Heck, even if they're offline, you still need to build a list or a customer base. And what better way to do it than with a free opportunity packed with value that you can also make $100, 100% commission over and over and over again. Now, what if you can buy something? What if you could buy one thing and keep selling it over and over again? Where else can you do that, right? Except online using software and resources and training. I mean, think about this. Universities do it all the time. Online schools do it all the time. They charge you so much money in order to log on to their platform and watch their videos so you can get a degree. That's what it is, right? Software as a service. So basically, this tool will help online marketers, help business people build their lists, grow their lists so they can promote whatever opportunity they want. And when you see the vision, when you see the value, you'll be willing to position yourself so you can earn $100 over and over and over again. And I want to show you proof of that. So the opportunity that I have here is called List Infinity. And I always look over here because I got this big screen here and I got to look way over here just to see where I'm clicking the mouse at. But anyway, the opportunity is called List Infinity. And I'll just move this out of the way. And here you'll see, this is just a quick capture page that I threw together just for my own, own thing here. But you can learn the easiest way to make money online in 2021 using a laptop and a smartphone. And this free video tells all. Anybody can use this simple method. No, seriously, you can. So let's go over to the opportunity. The opportunity is right here. Here's your presentation page that everyone gets. This is actually the account creation page where you can create a free account. Like I said, and this is the massive viral email list and $100 generating system. Okay. So how does this work? You build a massive and profitable email list from the efforts of your referrals. Now, as you're sharing this free opportunity, people see the value in it. Why? Because in exchange for the value they're giving their contact information. Now you're building their list. Now guess what happens? When they buy something or when they upgrade, they become a buyer on your email list. So not only are you building a list of leads, but you're also building a list of buyers, but not just those $7, $6 buyers. You're building a list of $100 buyers. That is a profitable email list right there. So anyway, so every fifth lead from your referrals generates pass up. So your referrals promoted, which they're your affiliates now, right? They promote it, you get a lead. Just like if they would promote it to someone and they promoted it, they would get the lead. But just think about this magic. What if the person you gave it to, right, their fifth one got passed it up, but what if that fifth one that they passed up was your fifth one? That lead would jump again to the next person. That's like video stuff. You would make a video about that, right? But anyway, you can build a residual income stream because once you upgrade, there are 4 additional income streams that you can unlock without any purchases that you can add your affiliate link in and basically start generating 5 income streams. One of those income streams is a traffic source, right? That you can earn commissions from, 15%, and use that commission to start to buy traffic. So basically your traffic will be free. Anyway, so you get done for you lead capture pages, which I'll show you. You get done for you email follow-ups. You'll learn how to drive instant traffic using free methods and also paid methods. So this is an all-in-one platform that teaches you everything you need to know about list building and also about basically the mindset and some core principles just about affiliate marketing, right? How to do it successfully using social media for free tactics. So that's one of the things you can give it away for. You can just give it away as a platform that teaches you how to promote successfully on social media, right? Why not? That's the value that you can exchange for other people's emails. Now, it also comes with 13 capture pages, high converting viral capture pages, right? Here's a few of them here. Now, for upgrades, people who upgrade and position themselves accordingly, right? You get bonuses. You get free Facebook traffic strategies. You get 10K blueprint, right? You get TikTok training. You get YouTube training. You get Instagram training. And you also get that most important mindset training. And after all of that is said and done, you still get more value. You get a vacation. And you get to choose out of 125 exotic locations. Now, if that isn't enough, like $100, I mean, come on now, that's a no-brainer. But not only that, there's no web hosting, there's no content creation. Why? Because this is a free platform. Once you upgrade, now you're able to reap the benefits of the free platform with all the value and generate 100% commissions off a one-time, no monthly fee, one-time $100 upgrade, right? It's simple. You have 3 simple steps. You set it up, you select the page, and you promote it either via paid traffic, which they show you how to do in the back office, or on social media, which they have those courses for TikToks, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, right? So free methods. Here are just some proofs that they have on this presentation page, and these kind of change, it looks like, from time to time. And here are just some proofs. Yeah, these some proofs. Everybody, you see these $100 commissions here. Boom, boom. Here's one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Hey, here's a familiar face here. Here's another one. That's Al, Big Al. So right down here is where it just shows you the difference. You're a free member. You can sign up for free here. Now, mind you, both you sign up for free, right? But once you're on the inside, you'll get the opportunity to upgrade, to reap the further benefits of all this additional training right here, and the ability to generate 4 additional income streams, and also to earn $100 per sale and get your choice of a vacation. Let's click this button and let's see what this is. Here's your vacation choices. You get 4 days, 3 nights in any of these US locations, right? Which is awesome. Here are some more locations, but those are just some of the choices that you get as a pro member for a free vacation, right? So that's pretty simple. Right now, let's get into showing you some of my personal proofs to show you what I've earned so far. And I'll go to my email, and these are my emails that I have saved just for you know, this platform here. Let me move me up here. So as you can see, I have Stripe. I have $100 here, $100 here, $100 here. And mind you, here's the dates. The 29th, I got 229 $200 payments. and this is today. Today's the 6th, December 6th. I got one at 2:50 in the morning. I got one at 6:15. I got one at 3:45. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's $500, right? And I started about a week ago. So that's $500. But 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, I got in one day, which is awesome, right? Now, these other payments here, this is, I got this on the 5th because something happened here and the owner made sure I got paid for my referral. So he sent me that $100. So that's one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $600. Then here, this is a referral that also got messed up in the system. And I got $75 because it was that Black Friday special. So that's that. And then I also got another $75 here. And this was another Black Friday special on the 26th of November. So that, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 600, 700, $750. So basically I made $750 off a one-time $100 investment. So that's awesome, right? Now, why wouldn't you do that? Why wouldn't you do that? But what I want to show you here before we jump over to the Facebook group and proof, I want to show you my bridge page to show you my offer to you if you partner with me in this list building $100 generating opportunity. So as you can see, this is the easiest way on the planet to generate $100 commissions. And if I can do it, you can do it too. And I just showed you that. But down here, you'll see is when you upgrade with me, you'll receive 100 free clicks to your List Infinity capture page of choice. And all you do is send me a screenshot of your receipt. I find you in my back office, confirm it. You send me the link to the capture page that you want me to send the traffic to, your List Infinity capture page, and I'll start sending traffic until you reach 100 clicks. I mean, it's that simple. You know, my success is linked to yours. Why not? You know, and I'm here to help along the way. So if you also reach out with any questions, I'm here. You know, so not only will I help you get traffic, but I also will assist you in your setup and anything that you need to be successful online. I mean, you know, when I first started, I really didn't have nobody helping me. I had to kind of, navigate through the waters, right? The shark-infested waters on my own. But I don't want you to struggle like that. So that's why I'm helping, right? So anyway, let's take a quick look in the Facebook group. Now, this is the List Infinity group here. This is the proof group. As you can see, there's 806 members. So, you know, this platform is pretty young, so you should get in while you can, right? So this is just the proof group, which you will get free access to, so you can see how it all works, right? And here people are welcoming people in. You see, people are coming in daily, all of these people. I welcome David Sheldon in today. Amanda Ray, she brought someone in. I welcome Carl in, Dwight in. I posted some proofs here, and so did others. Here's Demetrius, he brought Ina in. So you see all the proofs that people are having all of the success. You know, here's a twofer. You know, Susan brought 2 people in, you know. And people are greeting them, saying welcome. People are helping people along. Here's a question, anyone buying traffic? And there's resources, and people are sharing their ideas, sharing their tips, and getting people excited about this opportunity of making $100 a day. But as you can see, the list goes on and on and on, and how many people are having success with this. Also, as a member, as an upgraded member, you'll also get access to the List Infinity coaching group, which you'll be able to get personal questions answered, personal assistance, and personal coaching from the top earners and also the creator of the platform, Derek Van Dyke. But anyway, that's the proof that I wanted to show you about the List Infinity platform. Is there anything else? No, I think that's it. But like these vacations, okay, first of all, let me talk about this. So 125, okay, you get to pick 125 vacations. Now, for $100, people, you get a free vacation. Now let's look at that again. Because for $100, this is well worth it. So I just want you to really look at this. Free vacation to one of 125 destinations for $100. So choose one of these locations, a 4-day, 3-night location stay, right? a 4 to 3 night stay in the United Kingdom, a 6 night stay in Hawaii, a 5 to 4 night stay in Argentina, a 4 to 3 night stay in Australia. Look, 5 to 4 night stay in Austria, Brazil, Canada, Colombia, the Dominican, Fiji, France, Germany, Japan, Macau, Malaysia, Netherlands, Ireland, Greece, Hungary, India, Indonesia, Israel, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Korea, Italy, Mexico, New Zealand, the Philippines, Russia, South Africa, Spain, Sweden, Thailand, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, and Vanuatu. Right? I can't say it, but hey, I tried. But what I'm saying is, for $100, and it says also, what does it say down here? It says also, plus we have many more exciting locations coming. So, like, just think about it. The value that you're getting for the upgrade of $100 on top of what I'm offering, which is 100 clicks. This is a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Even if you just wanted a vacation, I would buy this for $100. But why not turn it into a business to keep flipping $100 over and over again? Well, anyway, that's all that I got. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the List Infinity. And as you can see, I went out on a vacation on a high note of getting a vacation for $100. I mean, that should be my headline. Who else wants a vacation for $100? Right? But anyway, that's all that I got. In this video, I showed you proof. I showed you proof of my results. I showed you proof of some of the other members' results. And I also showed you how you can start earning literally $100 online today. So, as always, if you enjoyed this content, like, share, and subscribe, and I'm out.